Hey, thanks everybody out there for joining me on CLO Education TV. Today we have a video. We're almost done with the KPCB sewing machine. I'll be adding all the 3D printed parts on Thingiverse and also on my personal CLO Learn Shop website, which is always displayed on the screen right here. So today's part that we're going to design is the finger guard mount over here in the back. And what's cool about this design is it should be able to print without any supports. One thing I want to mention, I have these very wonderful new sweatshirts out at CLO Pixel Gamers, which is my gaming channel. You can check that out here. Also, if you want to check out the other videos of this sewing machine build, then you can click on this playlist up here. All right, so let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so the first thing I think we should do is basically go ahead and detach the guard mount right here. Let's do that first. Simple screw, just takes one screw, and I think this one should be a pretty easy one to design. So we had a mount missing on the generic version, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove this. And if you wanted to know what the lever, spring, and guard mount hole looks like, there it is right there. All right, and this is the part we're concerned with right here. So today we are going to go into Blender, design this part, and 3D print a brand new one. All right, let's start with sketching first. Okay, so these are the sketches I came up with. Now let's get some measurements on the page. Okay, we've got everything we need here. Every measurement, hole distances, gap distances. I didn't add chamfers in because I can add those later. Let's go ahead and get into the computer so we can start designing our piece. If you are interested in learning how to 3D model or 3D design, hit me up in the comment section here or in my DM on Instagram, and I'm considering setting up a live every Wednesday to go over basic, simple 3D design. That way you can get your feet wet and kind of get the idea of what it's like to model a 3D model. Let me know in the comment section if you're interested in a class or a live course. Okay, I guess my measurements were at least halfway decent. So here is the original, and these two are the 3D printer versions. Now this one in the middle is made from a glow-in-the-dark filament, and that's what I love about re-engineering the parts, is because you can actually try different colors and different materials. So guys, what do you think? Do you think I did a good job? Let me know in the comment section. Let's go ahead and maybe I'll install the black one. Let's get it on the machine, and then we'll wrap up the video. I think it looks great. All right, let's wrap up the video. One thing that was cool about making this mounting bracket, it was pretty simple. One thing that's really important about the right to repair is a lot of our electronics and devices are now being designed to where if something breaks, the manufacturer has to repair it at a high expense. And what I like to do is reverse engineer or engineer parts for personal use. Now, it's a skill that's a great one to learn, especially as things and items get more expensive. And that's all a part of CLO Education TV. I've offered over 160 free videos that you can check out that have various projects that deal with designing and 3D printing. So definitely, if you would like to support CLO Academy, support the channel, or support me as a content creator, links will be in the description below. Guys, I'll see you on the next video. Until next time, peace.